Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I'm working in my tag journal. I'm going to do a couple of pages, I think. I was just trying to I made a mess of this particular piece when I was working on another one. So I just grabbed some gesso and thought I would smear it over there and kind of cover up stuff. But then I end up covering up this part because I didn't really care for it much. So I'm putting some old music paper on there and a little bit of book text. Figured I would do some layering. And I'm doing it with a glue stick rather than matte medium because it's just easier on these little pieces. This is I want to call it a die cut, but it's a cut out flower from Gina's shop. Comes in 3 different sizes, and I thought I would put some white gesso on it and do it sort of like if you've heard of Dee Catron. She does that and it looks really cool, but mine just looks like kind of a mess. And just wait till you see the words I put on it. It's perfect. So I felt like the flower wasn't showing up enough, so I've just got a couple of green colors of paint that I thought I would put on here. I think it just makes it more messy. So the words are appropriate. Love your mess. So on to the next one. This one will make me much happier. So I just did a pattern of a heart so that I have something to trace, and I'm just going to stack layers of Gina's digital downloads and make a stacked heart. Now I've got that glued all on there. I'm gonna just run my Stabilo All pencil around the edges just to give it some shading. Be careful though, if you do this straight onto paper rather than having it collage down, you can end up with some pretty interesting marks where you don't necessarily want them, because it will soak straight into the paper and there's not a lot you can do about it after the fact. And there is that one. Oh yes, marker. See, don't do it. I just marked up my page. Well, I hope you like that. If you've been watching them, tell me which one you like. Got a few more pages left to do. Anyways, if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.